breaking update which is coming in from the top court. This is with regard to the Sena versus Sena hearing, which is one of the issues that the top court's constitutional bench is looking at. Now, the Supreme Court is going to decide on the Election Commission's proceedings on September 27th. As per an earlier order, the EC, this is with regard to the EC's decision on symbol or who the real Sena is. Shinde faction had in fact moved the Election Commission seeking claim over the party symbol. Now the Supreme Court is going to decide on what should be EC's next move, Election Commission's next move with regard to the party symbol of Shiv Sena, which both sides have staked claim to. That is now a matter which is going to come up on September 27th. So remember, this is, of course, there are multiple petitions which is with the Supreme Court with regard to Sena versus Sena. There have been multiple complaints and multiple petitions which have been filed in court both by the Uddhav side as well as the Shinde camp. And this particular aspect of the EC deciding all the poll symbols, that is a matter which is now going to come up on September 27th. So this is the Sena versus Sena tussle which is ongoing in the top court, and the matter has been adjourned to September 27th. Let me go across to my colleague Harish for more on this. Harish, what does it mean? If you can just put it in simple words for our viewers to understand, where does the fight stand right now? Is it now the EC's poll symbol matter which has taken priority in terms of all the petitions that the top court is looking at?
Yes, in fact, all the 7 petitions filed by Shinde group and the Uddhav group against each other were listed today, but the Supreme Court took on priority the petition filed by the Uddhav Thackeray faction seeking a permanent stay in the proceedings before the Election Commission of India, where the Shinde group had filed a petition taking claim to be recognized as the real Shiv Sena, saying that they have 39 MLAs out of the 52 with them, and also wanted that they be recognized as the real Shiv Sena. Apart from that, they also have staked claim to the party symbol, that is the bow and arrow. So Kapil Sibal, who had appeared for the Uddhav Thackeray faction, said that several petitions are pending in Supreme Court and there are several common issues before the Supreme Court and Election Commission. They are interlinked, and so even while the Supreme Court had set up a constitution bench, the bench had said that there are several issues of constitutional importance and also issues pertaining to defection, merger and disqualification, and the function and the ambit and purview of the power of a deputy speaker, speaker and the governor has to be decided. So till these issues are decided, the Supreme Court should stay the proceedings before Election Commission of India. But at the same time, Advocate Neeraj Kishan Kaul, who had appeared for the Shinde faction, said that Election Commission has to decide the issue fast in view of the forthcoming civic body elections in the state of Maharashtra, in which they wanted to be recognized as the real Shiv Sena and also wanted the party symbol of bow and arrow for themselves. So at this juncture, Supreme Court said that we will not issue any order as of now, but at the same time, the order passed by the earlier bench that till Supreme Court takes a call on this, the proceedings before the Election Commission will be stayed, will hold on. So as of now, the Election Commission cannot decide on the take a final decision on the petition filed by the Shinde faction seeking claim over the party symbol and also the party. So, so the next hearing will be on September 26th, when the Supreme Court will decide whether to stay, to put a permanent stay on the proceedings before the Election Commission of India till the Supreme Court decides the interlinked issues. Back to you.
Right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us and giving us a full update on where exactly the Sena versus Sena tussle now lies in the top court. Thank you so much for joining us with that. And with that, it's a wrap on the bulletin. There's news and updates which will continue on the other side with me. Stay with us.